Hi, today I show you how to create TV screen. Tutorial very easy. After this video you know how to create screen on object and you get bonus tips about lighting. Okay, let's start. Select screen and open shade editor. Delete principal BSDF, Shift A, search mix shader, shader to surface, Shift A, search emission, Shift D, duplicate, emission to shader, Shift A, search light path, in camera array, connect to fact. Now we need search image texture. Color to color. Open your video. We need repeat. Here type your video frame, how long. Turn on cyclic and auto refresh. That's it, you have a TV screen. If your screen show wrong way, you need unwrap object tab. Open UV editor. Select screen, unwrap, and rotation and scale right position. Okay, tab again. Looks perfect. Now save project, Ctrl Shift S, set direction, close UV editor. If you want more lightning, you can emission straight. Now you get bonus. I show how to change RGB lighting. Here you see two RGB object. Go to material properties, create new material, change to emission, and now you can switch color anything what you like. I change blue. You can change straight. Don't forget assigned. Select another RGB object and select same material. First material name material 1. Now both objects have the same texture. Okay, now fun part. You can animate color and straight. Look, insert keyframe, move frame, choose another color, maybe straight a little bit, and again insert keyframe. Repeat one more time, and look, color change. Pretty cool, yeah? If you want, go to timeline and click T. Here you can change interpolation. This time I not change. Now you know how to create TV screen. Thanks for watching. I have a more awesome video. Check my channel, and now bye.